The cars were not the only attraction at the Chevrolet Detroit Belle Isle Grand Prix.
It's always a good opportunity for Tarde to get out in the community, not only for the community to showcase what we have, but look at opportunities that we can leverage from industry, our racing partners, and what we can do to increase the survivability of the soldiers.
A change of flippers, and it's got different set of names.
Participating units included Rapid Equipping Force, TARDEC, Program Executive Office for Ground Combat Systems, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Detroit District, Great Lakes Recruiting Battalion, and TACOM LCMC. They teamed up and showed the technologies saving soldiers' lives in the field.
What I'm holding in my hand here now is the Recon Scout. For me as a soldier, if I was to go out on a patrol, I can easily stick it into my cargo pocket. The hand controller with the screen that I can see what the robot is seeing, I can easily attach that to my uniform. Instead of me going into a hole or going over a wall, possibly getting harmed, I would throw this over the wall, take a look around, then proceed to go over.
A lot of people look at them and they think that they're toys. 8 years ago, when this war first started, guys like me would have to go interrogate a hole by myself, and now we have robots that can go interrogate those holes and save soldiers' lives.
Other technologies on display are not even in the field yet and gave the public a look at future battlefield capabilities.
The soldier system collects data relevant to the injury by collecting data about pressure, so overpressure caused by, for instance, a blast event, and also shock data. That data is collected and stored in a small device. This is a small computer that sits in an applique on the soldier's back. That data is intended to be eventually correlated to injury, connected to the soldier's medical records, so you have a whole history of events that happened to the soldier through the course of his service, and even relevant to 10 years later when he goes to the doctor and he has headaches and is in the VA system.
Part of the Army's job or mission is to help outreach with the local community. This is part of our outreach program, educating folks about what we do, why we do it, and how we design our vehicles, and also learning from this community on how they design their vehicles, how they develop safety methods within their system so that we can incorporate that and build that common knowledge base.
TARDEC leaders even got to enjoy themselves a bit, taking a ride around the track in an Indy pace car.
It was awesome. That was probably one of the fastest riders I've ever been in. It was awesome. I loved it.
Hitchcock also had her photo taken with Kid Rock, who had a message for soldiers.
Godspeed, God bless y'all. Thanks for your service, and hope you enjoy the race, and God bless you.
Sentiments that mean a lot to soldiers like Sergeant Davis.
It feels great to have all that thank you. I'm in Detroit, and it's great. A lot of people came up to us and said thank you for the service, and I really appreciate them because I couldn't do what I do without their support.
Reporting from the Detroit Belle Isle Grand Prix, I'm Daniel Day.